let's go back for just really quick. One little feature I forgot to mention. In Mendeley, as you're going through tons and tons and tons of research, you found great articles, you found articles that have the little golden nuggets of information that you're wanting. Let's just say that I am going to use this little abstract feature. Now, this abstract feature, you'll notice that I don't have it filled out for a lot of these actually, any of those. Let's see if I can find one in here. Just wanted to show you an example if I have one. Well, that did not work out. All right, so let's just assume for a moment that I'm using, here's a good one, that I'm using this abstract feature. Now, you could technically copy and paste your abstract from the author directly in here. It won't show up as part of your citation. However, it is really just for you as far as notes are concerned. So if I'm looking at my research, I got all of this organized in here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this abstract section to create my own annotated bibliography. And what that means is I'm going to go through, after I've read the article, I'm going to simply tell me about the purpose of the article, some of the structures or tests, instruments, things that they used in there, information that I can probably use again as I'm doing my own research. Of course, I'm going to also put in that I'm going to have whatever their results are, or even some general conclusions, whatever it happens to be for that specific article. This one did not go as in depth, but it's really just a little one paragraph summary to remind me what it is that this article is about. So when I'm going back and looking for articles later, as I'm doing my research or as I'm doing my writing, I know I can spend less time searching because I'll have it here. And you can also put in your own tags, which will allow you to use this filter section right here for all those tags. As you can see, I even sorted a tag by course. I've sorted them by keywords. So this is whatever you need it to be. Abbreviations, which I strongly suggest against abbreviations unless it's common, such as like CCSS, Common Core State Standards. That's a pretty common abbreviation. But you'll notice I also have Common Core and Common Core State Standards in here, just in case I forget when I'm putting in my research in and I code it as something else. I have multiple ways of finding the articles I need. All right, guys, I hope you find this helpful. Happy researching. Stay sane, keep organized, and good luck.